Hi, welcome back to another one of my videos. I hope you guys are doing good in this coronavirus situation. It seems like everywhere in the not third world, everywhere in first world countries, Singapore, Hong Kong, Japan, and some other places, even like Australia, the corona numbers are rising and the infections are also rising. So that's a worrying sign because wave number 2 is back. Coronavirus is not defeated. It's coming back. It's climbing back up and it's trying to claim more victims. So yeah, mask up and stay safe out there and be socially responsible to not be one of those super spreaders. That's going around and making life difficult for everyone and for all you health workers out there fighting so hard to support to keep people alive and save lives, essential workers out there. Give a salute to all you guys. Even though I do not know some of you guys, but yeah, to other frontline medical team, medical workers, thank you all. And in case you're not subscribed to my channel, please do. I need all the support. I need to grow my channel, the community more and more. And I promise you, someday I really want to give it back to the community. And on a side note, before I actually continue, what's the main of today's video, I want to talk about the Ghost of Tsushima. Yeah, just finished watching the Ghost of Tsushima. A walkthrough of someone that I've been following a long time on YouTube. The ending is kind of like to be expected because yeah, but that'll be I'll do talk about it in a different video. Like samurai and their code of honor. It's just amazing. That's what makes them some of the most iconic and legendary status of Japanese history and culture. So yeah, that aside, so the main of today's video. There we go. Yeah, this is it. What is this? Yeah, I got more Mystery Ranch products. Yeah, I just cannot stop getting Mystery Ranch products. I'm a huge fan of Mystery Ranch, and yes, today will be another Mystery Ranch gear review or like a preview or update. I just want to talk about this. What is this? It's a Mystery Ranch, a VLAK, VLAK, which stands for Vehicle Litter Aid Kit. Basically, what is this? This is a giant first aid kit pouch that is built for military purposes. That they put it in their vehicles. And Mystery Ranch do sell two kinds of first aid kits. The smaller one, which is called IFAK, individual first aid kit in the past, and then they renewed it. They call it RFAK now, which is a removable first aid kit. And this one is called the VLAK. So this one holds 3 times the amount of the RFAK. So basically removable first aid kit, the amount of medical equipment that you can put in one, this one fits 3 of those. So not a lot of videos on YouTube talking about the VLAK, and so far I think I've only found one official Mystery Ranch video talking about the VLAK and the the older IFAK systems. So I just wanted to give a shout out to my contacts, special people who was able to help me get this, because this is not available in Japan. I'm not sure if you can get this in Singapore and Hong Kong, but apparently Mystery Ranch, some of their products are so hard to get in Japan. And yeah, I give a huge shout out to my special contact who got me this. Thank you so much, M. I just call him M. Yeah, for getting this all the way here to me. And I got one in a Coyote tan. I do believe they have this in a multicam. No blacks, no olive green or olive drab, only 2 colors, Coyote tan and multicam. And I got the Coyote because all my Mystery Ranch stuff are all in Coyote tan, so I don't want to change the color of my accessories. And on the outside is very simple, and this one is built in 2019. So compared to the older ones, what is that? The zipper covers here are not in black. They are in Coyote, and the black ones used to be like rubber coated for like weather protection, and the newer ones, the updated ones, is just like fabric. I'm not sure if they're waterproof, but they're fabric. But along with all the other 2019 2020 Mystery Ranch military line, all their Coyote tan products have this matching coyote zipper colors, zipper covers, not colors, as compared to the older ones that are black. On the outside, let's just do a tour on the outside. On the outside of the pack, held on the front by a single buckle, not a Mojave locking buckle. It's just a regular standard 1-inch buckle, not 1.25. Yeah, this is a 1-inch buckle. It has a soft Velcro patch on top here for you to attach various medical or morale patches on it. And on the side, on the back, there are 6 rows of pals or mollies, and then 2 that is sewn onto the top here and runs through, and you can take it out and attach to your backpack or your plate carrier or any other molly attachments. And on the side here, there is a strap that is removable via this proprietary, I think, Mystery Ranch system, and then you can detach it pretty easily with this buckle. It is adjustable. And then on the top here, there are 2 additional buckles that allows you to roll the top up should you need it to hold it in place. And the top buckles also allows you to hold additional stuff should you need it, to put stuff on top, on the lid of the pouch, the VLAK pouch. And going through the inside, unbuckling it, it's made, I think it's made of a 500D Cordura. It is lightweight, it is thin, and it's durable, it's functional. And it's a rather technical pouch. So let's just get into it. On the front here, there are 2 zippers on the left and right, and they are pretty beefy. I think they're YKK zippers that have this paracord, 10 paracord matching the color. And if you pull on the 2 tab, the entire pouch opens up completely to reveal the inside. And I do believe the inside are not changed from the older VLAK pouches. There are like elastic loops on the top, 2 on the top and 2 at the bottom, for you to put your medical supplies in. And then there's a mesh pouch here. And then there are like a ton of organizations for you to put all your medical supplies in it. So yeah, basically it's just a very simple pouch. And there is a drain hole, a grommet at the bottom, a drain hole. And basically this is it. And then there's a Mystery Ranch logo on the top here, and then a little tag here that says when and where it's made. And yeah, basically that's about it. There's not a lot to talk about this pouch. And I do have a couple of the Mystery Ranch RFAKs, the removable first aid kits. I'll talk about it in a different video. Basically, I got this giant pouch to use it not as a medical pouch, but for like an everyday carry pouch, or for me to just put my regular stuff and use it, like a regular pouch when I go out. I don't need to carry my backpack, or maybe just to put in my car, or maybe even attach it to my Sully bike. It's like a pannier system, so because it has all that molly at the back, it makes it a lot easier to attach to racks and stuff. But my main reason for getting it is that the pouch that I'm using most of the time, to carry my stuff, a head porter pouch, I've been using for a while, and I thought, might as well upgrade it, because it's a little bit frail, and not frail, it's the straps are frayed, and it's still in great working condition. I just want to rotate my pouch system. So yes, this is a medical specific, it is a pouch that is made specifically for medical, for holding medical first aid kits and whatnot. But because there's so much space in it, it's almost like a gas mask pouch, which I do have one. I'll talk about it in a different video. I basically got this pouch to put in everyday carry, my wallet, some a little bit of first aid kit here and there, and my phones and whatnot. So days that I do not need to carry a giant backpack, it's just I need to go to the convenience store or something, and I can just grab one of these and put my stuff and be on my way. The only thing I do want to like highlight is that the a strap that came with this pouch is a little thin, and it might, you know, cause some abrasion on my neck, or your, you know, if you're using it, you know, to carry around when you put it with a little bit of a heavy load. So I'm actually considering swapping it out, swapping the strap out with these slightly beefier straps. These straps are not irregular straps. These are by Magpul. It's a rifle sling. It's called a Magpul a MS3 rifle sling, not generation 2, generation 1, that I have been using it for a really long time. And I don't use it like you know, on a rifle. I use it to hold my camera gear. Yeah, I attach this to like a little D-ring, a loop at the bottom of my camera when I, you know, and when I'm on my official wedding assignments, and it holds one of my 2 cameras that I'm using. And because this strap is so you know, the versatility of this a strap, it's so good. Because it's built as a rifle strap. I can go from, like, you know, a side, from one side I can tighten it, I can adjust, you know, the height of it. It's so much more functional than any like camera strap that is out there in the market. So, you know, I need the speed, I need the functionality. This is the strap that I go to. It's a rifle sling, but I use it as a, you know, a camera strap for my cameras. And when I'm not shooting cameras, I actually, you know, put this, you know, you can go from a 1 point, you know, 1 point here, to when you unbuckle it to a 2 point. You know, that's what it's meant for on rifles. So it's a very usable and highly recommended sling. And because the straps are slightly softer and wider, and slightly have this little soft padding. There's really no padding in it, but it's so comfortable. Even though when I'm using it with my camera, you know, like a DSLR with a 70 to 200 millimeter lens, that's a pretty heavy setup. But I use this for, you know, almost like 10 years. Yeah, it still holds up great. I have 2 of these MS3 Magpul slings, one in black and one in Coyote tan. So I'm probably gonna find a way to attach this to this VLAK pouch by just finding D-rings that I can attach it to here. So yeah, basically that's how it's gonna be. And I hope you enjoy this short video talking about this Mystery Ranch VLAK pouch. If you can get your hands on one of these pouch, maybe not for medical purposes, yeah, it's not too bad of a pouch. You know, it looks neat, and it is pretty big. It's just that it's a little technical on the inside. So if you don't know, you know, what you're gonna put on the inside, or how you're gonna organize it, it might be a problem. But you know, I highly recommend pouches like that. You know, they look good, but for some people it might be a little bit too tactical. But for me, I don't really care. I just wanted something that is usable, durable, functional, and I can use it for more than one purposes. You know, if I put like a padded insert inside, I can actually put camera and, you know, what other gears not inside. You know, and yeah, basically that's it. I'm like almost 15 minutes into the video, like 13-14 minutes. So yeah, this is my short little review of a Mystery Ranch VLAK pouch. Hope you enjoyed my video, and yep, thank you so much for checking out my videos. I try to put a little bit more content when I'm free and not working for you guys. So you know, the rainy season is almost over here in Japan. I think for my area, the rainy season has been lifted and officially announced by the weather department. So yeah, I'm looking forward to more bright sunny days. It's getting very hot here, but not as bad as like in Tokyo and all the other more you know, other areas in Japan, because I'm way out in the mountains. So it might be a little bit cooler here in the early mornings and in the late evenings. So yeah, thank you guys for checking out my videos. I hope to see you. I can speak, I don't know. I hope to see you guys in more future videos. In the meantime, take care, and I'll see you. Bye.